This is a common question, and here's my advice. You need to do 3 things, and these 3 things are crucial. Without these 3 things, you're just going to be freestyling throughout your journey. You're just going to do it because you know that you should do it. But once you have these 3 things locked in, your chances of success increases drastically. 1, you need to create a macro goal. A goal that's pretty far away but not too distant in the future. We're talking about 6 months to a year from now. That goal can be anything, but make it something that's going to motivate you. A goal that you really want to achieve, something that means a lot to you. Example, you've always wanted to hike the tallest mountain in your region. Your goal can be to have enough endurance and strength to finally hike that mountain. Now 2, you need to create micro goals that you're going to execute, but these micro goals need to be checked off on a weekly, monthly basis so that you can finally achieve your macro goal at the end of the year, or whatever your timeline is. Example, you want to climb that mountain, then you need to do certain things to be able to improve your cardiovascular endurance, improve your lower body strength. So for that to happen, 5 days a week I'm gonna go walking outdoors, and 3 days a week I'm gonna do some form of strength routine. And every month you gauge your progression. As you improve monthly, you're gonna have to adapt your goals so you can continue to progress. 3, this is the most important. This is what's gonna keep you on your journey for the whole year, but really for the rest of your life. You need to find and write down your why. Why do you think it's important to do all this? Why do you even want to hike that mountain? Is it because you want to prove to yourself that you still are independent and you can do anything at any age? Is it because you have family and you want to do this adventure with them? Why is this fitness journey so important to you? Whether you're doing it for your confidence, your health, your family, write it down and keep it close to your heart, and remember it every single time you're on the verge of quitting. Every time you go on a streak of not working out, remember why that journey is so important to you, why you have no choice to achieve it. I hope this helps. This is just my advice. It works for me, and I think it can work for you. Wishing you all the best on your journey.